Hi, I'm Benita Zahn. Underage drinking by teenagers is a leading public health problem in the United States. Locally, in Saratoga County, 45% of 11th and 12th graders drink alcohol on a regular basis. In response to rising community concerns about teen alcohol use, the Shenendehowa Community Coalition was formed in 2006. The goal is to address alcohol and substance abuse by youth in the Shenendehowa School District. The coalition is made up of representatives from the school district, agencies, and organizations that serve youth in the southern Saratoga County area. Coalition members include parents and teen representatives also play an active role in creating strategies to reduce teen drinking in our community.
Our school staff works tirelessly to prepare our students to succeed in college and our careers. Student learning is our most important goal. We know that students who do not use alcohol and drugs are much more likely to succeed in school. As a part of the Shenendehowa Community Coalition, we're working hard to help our students live safe, healthy, and productive lives. We want them to be ready to learn and be active participants in their schools and communities. Through our collective efforts, we can and will make the future better for our young people.
The Shenendehowa Community Coalition is working to address alcohol and substance abuse by teens in the school district. The coalition routinely conducts surveys and focus groups to identify key problem areas. The coalition has created and implemented a series of strategies to address key issues such as how teens acquire alcohol, where they drink, and enlisting parental support to address alcohol abuse in the community. These strategies are working to reduce risk factors, increase awareness of the problems teens encounter if they use and abuse alcohol.
As District Attorney of Saratoga County, I have unfortunately seen the serious and often tragic results of teen drinking and drug abuse. One choice can change everything. It can result in loss of life and time spent in our legal system rather than in school, sports, and the fun of being a teenager. Our greatest hope for our children is that they grow up to lead happy, productive lives. With the aid of the Shenendehowa Community Coalition and its members, we are striving to reduce teen drinking and its negative effects and sometimes tragic consequences.
The coalition wants you to know 60% of Saratoga County youth who drink got alcohol from friends, and 20% from their own homes, 10% of the time with their parents' permission. Our survey shows 80% of teen drinking in the county occurs at someone's house. Underage alcohol use significantly increases the risk of your teen being involved in physical or sexual assault and can lead to risky sexual behavior.
I have seen the impact of teen alcohol use. It can lead to unnecessary violence in the form of fights and assaults, car crashes, and in serious cases, the loss of life and freedom. We want teens and their parents to truly understand the negative effects of teen drinking.
In order to learn, students have to come to school at their best. They certainly can't learn if they're impaired by alcohol. And we now know that teen brains are more vulnerable to effects of alcohol than adult brains, which impacts their ability to learn. As many as 10% of high school students are using alcohol at school events. The Code of Conduct specifically prohibits alcohol use on school grounds, and students who are suspected to be under the influence are tested with alcohol sensor devices that have been provided by the Shenendehowa Community Coalition.
I am speaking to you today as a parent. The Coalition has provided us with data from surveys and focus groups that verify the existence of alcohol use by teens as a significant concern.
Parents really can make a difference. If your teen perceives that you disapprove of alcohol use, it can be a powerful influence on reducing their drinking potential. Your opinion counts.
You can also help by monitoring your teen's behaviors and associations, reducing their access to alcohol, especially in your home, and limiting TV and time out with friends while unsupervised.
Show that you care and talk honestly. Your teen will listen.
The Shenendehowa Community Coalition continues to sponsor anti-drinking messages, both in the high school, at sporting and other community events, and conducts prescription drug collections along with myriad other initiatives aimed at reducing alcohol consumption by our teens. We need community and parental involvement. You can join the coalition through our website. With your help, we can reduce teen drinking and its tragic consequences.